to show you how to make cookies at home. So let's start. So for this we are going to need 100 grams of butter and egg yolk, 125 gram icing sugar, 200 grams maida, milk powder 12 to 13 gram, cocoa powder. You can take as much as you want, and some cookie cutter and vanilla essence also. And we are going to now start making. So we are going to take a big bowl and put the butter into it and start beating with the beater. And now we are going to add icing sugar to it. So we have put the icing sugar and now we have to beat it again with the beater nicely. Now add egg yolk. Mix it with the beater. Now put powdered milk and then mix it again. And now we have to add 5 drops of vanilla essence. And now we have to mix it again. And now we have to take the maida and put it over it. And now we are not going to mix it with a mixer. With a blender. So we are going to mix it with a spatula this time. Mix it nicely. And now we are going to mix it with our hands nicely.
Kneading it, we have to put the dough into
So make it like a dough.
Fridge in 1 hour, means half an hour. So knead it nicely first, then put it into the fridge for 1 hour. So as you know friends, today is the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru and today is Children's Day. So happy Children's Day! So this is how the dough will look after half an hour putting in the fridge. So we have to knead it again so it is soft. So we have to make it very soft so we can make shapes of it. Platform and knead it nicely. are going to add some cocoa powder and mix it so that it changes the color of brown. So this is how it looks. This is white and this is black, brown. So now we are going to make shapes. So I have first flattened the dough and now we are going to make shapes of it like this and then remove it. So I have made two shapes, one star and hexagon, and now let's make more shapes. Now we are going to make with the white dough. Now I am going to share you a trick with fork. So first we are going to take a circle of the dough and then take a fork filled with cocoa powder and then press it on the dough. So this is how we made designs. So the next design is this, and I made the whole of the shapes. This is a flower that I made with brown and white. Outside is brown and inside is white. So we are going to put these doughs into the microwave for, we have to preheat it 180 degree in 10 minutes. So let's do it. So friends, see, our cookies is ready, as you can see. Friends, if you like my cookies, so please don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. And if you like my cookies, so please comment in the comment box how was these. Thanks for watching. Bye. And you can also make this at home. It is a very easy idea to make cookies at home. Bye bye friends.